I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be, you can't
to buy a container because this is going to spill everywhere. I have to do it very soon.
you don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it if you're...
Hi guys, so just for a few days I'm living in a dorm because I'm searching for places over here. But I've got to say, my roommates are very nice. They even brought me roti because I only drink coffee in the name of breakfast, and whatever they make they ask me to have or taste it. I'm really glad that my first few days in Dubai I'm staying here. Hi guys, first day in Dubai. I'm not going out because it's 12 p.m. and I know it's very sunny. The sun is out and I cannot bear it. By the way, it's very cold due to the AC and I'm literally freezing. I'm wearing this hoodie and socks as well. Yeah, I'm going to go do my walk in the evening. Because right now it's not ideal time to go. I'll go around 5-6 ish for a walk because I have to get out. This house is very small, I cannot stay in it, and there's literally nobody else rather than me because everybody is out for work. Oh. We live like 5 people in one room. So yeah, that's the situation. Also, I don't know what I'm going to do for dinner. I think I will make Maggie, but it's not the best option. For lunch I'm going to do 2 eggs. I'll show you guys later. फ्राई बनाती और राइस.
Here we are right now, no longer 17. Oh, have we been around? Got some years on us, and a new barrel as to see. Yeah. So we're here, that are still appear inside your dreamland. Weird, that are still appear inside your sleeping. Does he know about our time inside your REM cycle? And that I'm on the way where the night goes. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Stay on, baby, we play all the time. Gonna have a bad night, 1999. You say all rewind, baby, we play all the time. First weeks of tomorrow, there's no from your brown eyes from the waist down. I know tonight could we cram in some time before the big sun rises. Oh, though this may not be real, it's the closest.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna be moving today. My suitcase was broken because of the traveling from the airport, but I purchased a new suitcase today, so I'm going to just show you all that. It's very pretty. Anyways, today is Eid, so I'm going to be cooking shirkuma.
You're probably with your friends, dancing on tabletops. Hands in his hair already, saying that you forgot about me. I just don't wanna know who you give your loving to. You'll end up leaving here with someone. I just don't wanna know you be drinking way past 2, lights out and it's not me you're loving. I just don't wanna know you with someone. You I just don't wanna know with someone. Cold sheets when you're leaving, used to sleep between them. Now I'm sleeping different, I let you go. I'm not used to feeling like I'm needed. Guess I must have missed it, I should have known. You're probably with your friends, dancing on tabletops. Hands in his hair already, saying that you forgot about me. I just don't wanna know who you give your loving to. You'll end up leaving here with someone. I just don't wanna know you be drinking way past 2, lights out and it's not me you're loving. I just don't wanna know you with someone.
They'd say the world's not perfect, but it's not that bad if we got each other and that's all we have. I will be your lover and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you when the world's not perfect, when the world's not kind. If we have each other, then we'll both be fine. I will be your lover and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you. You should know I'll be there for you. I'm 23 and my folks are getting old. I know they don't have forever and I'm scared to be alone. So I'm thankful for my sister, even though sometimes we fight. When high school wasn't easy, she's the reason I survived. I know she never leave me and I hate to see her cry. So I wrote this verse to tell her that I'm always by her side. I wrote this verse to tell her that I'm always by her side. I wrote this verse to tell her that the world's not perfect, but it's not that bad if we got each other and that's all we have. I will be your brother and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you when the world's not perfect, when the world's not kind. If we have each other, then we'll both be fine. I will be your brother and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you.